Welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to see how you can use Canva AI to do and prepare a presentation in the form of PowerPoint. So this is the Canva dashboard. Canva is essentially for free. It has so many free features because you can sign up for the pro version, which is very pocket friendly. So to start it, on the left hand side, you see this Canva AI. Click on it. Click on the Canva AI. So over here, you now have to describe what you want to do. Say, can drop a prompt here. Say, I want you to PowerPoint presentation. No, it's good. So you can see these are the presentations you just presented. Now you can now go ahead now say add add your own details. The presentation you want to say use these details below to prepare a presentation. So I will now paste what are the details I want it to use. So I've pasted it. The title is Preparation Plan to Curb Flooding in Mumbai, India. So let's see, you can must be restricted to 4,000 characters or words. So let's continue. You now have to click Submit Reply. So as you can see, it has fashioned out. This is the first one. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth. So it has presented four templates for the preparation. So I'm going to, and we supply, remember we supply the details. So these are the presentation it has now presented, covering flooding in India. In Mumbai in India, this is the details, these are the details we supplied to it. So this is the presentation. So to edit it, you now have to now come here and click use Canva editor. So you can decide to now change the picture and the images. So this is the next page. Connection to Mumbai's flooding challenges, key factors to contributing flooding in Mumbai. So you can see it has even added its own text to it. This is all done through AI after we supply our details. So these are the details. So it's essentially there's nothing here we can really change. It's all really perfect. It's in perfectly in order. So you can the carbon flooding in Mumbai here, the thing is in order in terms of the headings. So let's share. So you now click share, click on download. So you can create it. You can download it as a PDF. You can download that Microsoft Power document. So since it's a Microsoft Power Library, let's click on it. Click on Power Listening and click download. So the download is not complete. So let's open it. So this is the presentation, the PowerPoint presentation. You can see how it is all done with AI without with minimal input. You can equally choose to edit it further. So this is how you can use Canva AI to carry out a Microsoft presentation such as PowerPoint. So if you like what we do on this channel, kindly like and subscribe and share our videos. Thank you for watching. Until the next one.